For this video, I'm going to be going over the elements of humanity with a painting that I drew. Every human is a combination of mind, body, and spirit. A good example for the mind would be thoughts, and a bad example for the mind would be emotions. This transfers directly to the body. Good example for bodily expression would be to drink water. A bad example of bodily expression would be to eat unclean foods, as stated in Mosaic law. What you put in your body nourishes your spirit. A good example of the spirit manifesting itself would be to fast and clean your body of all the unhealthy phospholipid attachments and arterial debris from catabolic absorption of carbohydrates and fats. A bad example of a spiritual expression would be impairment, like drinking alcohol in excess, consuming food in excess, things that make you generally weaker. And then what your spirit expresses is converted back to the mind, and the circle goes on and on. On the right hand side, I have some smaller pictures. These are examples of imbalances between the three elements of human nature. Every single disease afflicting mankind is an expression of these bad examples. Pardon, though, my examples are extreme cases and not specifically calling anybody out here. Of making these observations would be to make an assessment and figure out how you can achieve this balance on the left hand side. I did it on purpose where the examples on the right side are all smaller than the example on the left side. The left side being the goal and the right side being chaos. I have some notes to help explain a little further what I'm getting at here. Disease imbalance. So infectious diseases caused by pathogenic organisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. These diseases can be spread from person to person through contact, contaminated food or water, or insect bites. And mainly susceptibility to infectious disease is due to a compromised immune system or compromised immunological function. If you want to look at the painting, I wrote the numbers down for examples where it would lead to a compromised immune system. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 would all lead to a compromised immune system. Genetic disorders results from mutations or changes in a person's DNA and can be inherited from parents or occur randomly, allegedly. The examples on the painting displayed earlier show that 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 lead to mutations and changes in a person's DNA. Chronic diseases, long-term conditions that develop slowly and may last for years or a lifetime. Many can be managed but not cured, allegedly. Bad examples would be 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. These examples would lead to chronic diseases from overexposure to toxins in your food to unhealthy habits or emotional expressions, things like that. Scroll down a little more. Deficiency diseases caused by lack of essential vitamins, minerals, or other nutrients in the diet. Bad examples of this would be 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Mainly, albeit from consuming a diet that isn't supported by the digestive system. Autoimmune diseases. Conditions in which the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own healthy cells. Bad examples of this are 1, 3, 5, and 6. Environmental diseases caused by exposure to harmful substances or conditions in the environment. The bad examples of this would be 1, 3, 5, and 6. The biggest takeaway from this is that the fourth example here is not an unhealthy example, nor is it a diseased example. The fourth example would probably be the closest thing to the left side, or the closest thing to becoming the left side, which is the goal, I think, of our Creator, for us to be in unison with nature and grow unendingly. These formations on the right side, because of their misshapen imbalances, are limited to how large they can grow. The image on the left, because everything is in balance and growing in unison, the walls of the cell expand further than that's possibly capable with any of these examples on the right. So, biggest takeaway from this is to fast often and remove unclean debris from your body naturally through autophagy and change behavior. All of my content is for entertainment purposes only. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content and want to see more. I hope your day is blessed. Stay healthy, friends.